Are you feeling the FOMO? The fear of missing out on the next big crypto bull run? The headlines are screaming about Bitcoin's new all-time highs and Ethereum's latest institutional push, and you're probably thinking, what about me? How do I get in on this action? And where do I even start? You've come to the right place. Maybe you're new to crypto, or maybe you've been on the sidelines, waiting for the right moment. The good news is, the digital asset landscape is more mature, more accessible, and, in many ways, more exciting than ever before. We're not talking about a Wild West anymore, we're talking about a multi-trillion-dollar industry that is reshaping global finance. And for those of you who prefer to trade on a reliable, secure, and regulated platform like Gemini, the question becomes even more specific: what are the best coins to buy on Gemini in 2025? This isn't just a simple list of tokens. We're going to dive deep, looking at the macro-level trends, the technological innovations, and the specific narratives that are driving the crypto market in 2025. We'll explore a balanced approach, from the foundational pillars of the crypto economy to the high-risk, high-reward altcoins that could deliver explosive growth. Before we get started, a quick but crucial disclaimer: this is not financial advice. The crypto market is highly volatile, and you should always do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Now, with that out of the way, let's get into the coins. The foundational pillars, your long-term hold strategy. When building a crypto portfolio, you need a strong foundation. These are the coins that have stood the test of time, have massive institutional backing, and are fundamentally changing the world. On Gemini, these are the heavy hitters you can't ignore. First up, the king, Bitcoin, BTC. I know, it's the obvious choice. But you can't talk about a crypto portfolio without talking about Bitcoin. In 2025, Bitcoin isn't just a store of value anymore, it's a global macro asset. With the launch of multiple spot Bitcoin ETFs, institutional capital is flowing into BTC at an unprecedented rate. We've seen governments and major corporations establish strategic Bitcoin reserves. This isn't just retail hype, this is the slow but steady adoption of a new global monetary standard. Bitcoin's scarcity, its network security, and its proven track record make it the ultimate long-term hold. It's the digital gold of our generation. Even with its massive market cap, analysts are predicting significant price targets that would make its current price look like a steal. If you're only going to buy one crypto on Gemini, it has to be Bitcoin. Next, the smart contract giant, Ethereum, ETH. If Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is the digital oil, powering the entire decentralized financial system. Ethereum is the platform where most of the innovation in crypto happens. We're talking about DeFi, NFTs, and a whole universe of decentralized applications. In 2025, Ethereum's scalability and efficiency have dramatically improved, making it faster and cheaper to use. The platform's transition to a proof-of-stake model has also made it a more eco-friendly and appealing investment for ESG-conscious investors. The sheer network effect of Ethereum, with thousands of developers building on its blockchain, makes it an indispensable part of any serious crypto portfolio. The potential for a spot Ethereum ETF is also a massive catalyst that could bring in a new wave of institutional money, just like it did for Bitcoin. The high-growth altcoins, the Ethereum killers and Layer 2s. While Bitcoin and Ethereum form your core, the real excitement and potential for life-changing gains often lie in the high-growth altcoins. These are the projects that are either competing directly with Ethereum or building on top of it to solve specific problems. Let's start with the one that's been making the most noise, Solana, SOL. Solana has been on a tear, and for good reason. It's incredibly fast and has notoriously low transaction fees. It's often called an Ethereum killer because it aims to solve the scalability issues that have historically plagued Ethereum. In 2025, Solana is no longer just a contender, it's a dominant force. Its ecosystem is exploding with new projects, from DeFi protocols to NFT marketplaces, and its network activity has surpassed both Bitcoin and Ethereum in some metrics. A potential spot Solana ETF is also a hot topic, which could push it into the institutional spotlight. For a high-speed, high-growth play, Solana is a top contender on Gemini. Now, what about the projects that are building with Ethereum, not against it? That brings us to a whole class of cryptocurrencies known as Layer 2 solutions. One of the best to consider on Gemini is Polygon, Matic. Polygon acts as a sidechain to Ethereum, helping it scale by processing transactions off the main network and bundling them together. This makes transactions much faster and cheaper, without sacrificing the security of the Ethereum blockchain. As the Ethereum ecosystem continues to grow, so does the demand for efficient Layer 2 solutions like Polygon. It's a great way to bet on the future of Ethereum without having to shoulder all the risk. The niche innovators, the projects with specific use cases. Beyond the big names, there are projects on Gemini that are solving very specific, real-world problems. These are often the coins with the most compelling narratives and the potential for a strong community to drive adoption. One such project is Chainlink, Link. Chainlink is not a blockchain in the traditional sense, it's a decentralized Oracle network. What does that mean? It provides real-world data to smart contracts. Imagine a smart contract for a weather insurance policy. It needs to know if it rained today to execute. That's where Chainlink comes in. It securely connects a smart contract to an off-chain data source, like a weather station. As the world becomes more connected and smart contracts become more complex, the need for reliable data feeds will only increase. Chainlink is the undisputed leader in this space, making it a crucial infrastructure play and a smart long-term investment. Another coin with a unique and powerful use case is Cardano, ADA. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain that prides itself on its scientific and academic approach to development. It's often seen as a more methodical and secure alternative to other blockchains. While it might not have the same breakneck speed as Solana, its focus on security, sustainability, and peer-reviewed research gives it a strong foundation. In 2025, Cardano's ecosystem is maturing, with a growing number of dApps and smart contracts. It's a project for those who value a long-term, deliberate approach to blockchain development. The meme coin on-ramp, high risk, high reward. Finally, let's talk about the category that often gets the most attention, for better or worse, meme coins. While they may have started as a joke, meme coins have become a legitimate on-ramp for new crypto investors and a powerful force in the market. On Gemini, the one that's impossible to ignore is Dogecoin, Doge. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.